Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make ramen noodles in the microwave. Right here I have a bowl of ramen noodles that are microwavable. It only takes 3 minutes. I'm going to show you how to cook it. Alright, first of all you're going to have to take the ramen noodles from out of this outer package. And then you're going to, it says right here, open the package. And then pour the water up to the line, pour the soup base, and put it inside of the microwave for 3 minutes. And this is based on a 1,000-watt microwave, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. And right here it shows you how you can make it al dente, regular or soft noodles. If you want it al dente, it's 3 minutes, regular 3.5, or soft 4 minutes. We're gonna do it al dente. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Then I'm going to take the soup base and then pour it on top. Alright, once I have it in there, I'm going to take the water, and you see there's something that says fill to the line. Fill to the line. I'll fill the water up to the line. Filled it up to the line. Alright. And then I'm going to put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. Alright. After 3 minutes, we're going to take it out. And the noodles should be al dente. Be careful because it can be hot. Go ahead and shut the microwave. And that's how you make ramen noodles. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot.